Olivia's back in the kitchen with our favourite twins, these little gorgeous boys, Harry, Jack and Harry. I always get them confused. But we're going to be making one of their favourite dishes. Sometimes it'd be really hard to get the kids involved in the kitchen, but this is your little trick, right?
Yeah, so as you can see, Harry can't wait to start. They know all their veggies and spread them out nicely, evenly in each bowl, and then we're going to make little individual nacho bowls.
All right, let's get creative, boys. We'll make a bit of mess, make a few rainbows, and then pop them in the oven and cook them. This is so easy. They're out. Oh, straight in. What's that taste like?
Yummy.
Yeah.
Nice and crispy too.
Yum.
Yum, I'm going to have one with
so
the bit with the guacamole on it, Harry.